Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. It is getting to be about that time, and you know what I'm talking about. We're going to return the nutrients back to the soil. There is a little bit of corn. They're all really small ears, and you can see where the raccoons have been coming over, breaking it down, eating it. So I'm gonna feed, let the animals have some of this. A friend of mine's supposed to come and cut some of the stalks down and feed it to his horses. So I'm gonna leave that up. And like I said, I don't mind feeding nature. It's kind of cool, unless it's a skunk. And then you got to be careful, because I have smelt a skunk. So I think they've been coming out here eating my corn as well. The rain we've had for the past week has turned my okra around, and I love okra, so we're going to let that grow. But I'm going to pull all the wires up so I can get rid of all this grass, and I'm going to do the same thing at the other end. And this Saturday I am going to pull butterbean plants. Whatever is left, we'll do it. I mean, it's a few more blossoms, but by the time I think they'll die before I can get them because of the weather. So well, that's it. My daughter's cabbage, it did okay. It's not as big as we had hoped. It's forming, but we'll probably let the rabbits get a hold of that. Well, let me get everything ready to go for the tractor, and so we can get this done. I've got a couple of things I need to do this afternoon before I go back to work tomorrow. I'd like to thank everyone for watching the latest video put out, and also too, welcome to all the new subscribers to the channel and the continued supporters. So let's quit jabbering, get this stuff done, and get on the tractor and have some fun. Stay tuned for that. welcome to the end of the video. I hope you've enjoyed a little bit of Red Power in action. I did save the cabbage for my daughter. Hopefully it'll fill out like it's supposed to. While I was going through, I did notice that I need to pick some more okra I missed some this morning. So that's it. It looks really good. I'm happy with it. You can't beat Red Power. And once again, the Super C has done a very, very good job. So, okay, well, thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you at the next video from Old Red Tractors. Have a great afternoon.